What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. Today I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 reasons why you should buy ryobi One Plus power tools. Let's do this. So let's start off with the fact that there's over 125 individual power tools that all work on the one battery, guys. So this one battery pack here can power over 125 individual power tools that are available today. Not only that, but this here can also power your old power tools. So if you guys remember, before ryobi started making the lime green version in their power tools, they used to have a blue range. This battery here also works on their old power tools. So if you've got a drill that's 15 years old, the battery doesn't work anymore, this new battery pack here will also work on the old one. People underestimate just how important that is. I know a lot of people out there have invested a lot of time and money accumulating power tools from a particular brand, only to find that the batteries have changed now. What that means is that if they were to buy a new power tool today to add to their range, they'd have to buy a new battery pack. That new battery pack doesn't work on the old power tools. The old battery packs don't work on the new power tools. And to be honest, that is ridiculous. So the second reason why I think people should buy ryobi One Plus power tools is because they offer a huge 6-year warranty. Not only is it a standard 6-year warranty, it's a 6-year replacement warranty. So many people don't realize this, but with a standard warranty, you walk into your local supplier, you give them your power tool, show them what's wrong with it, they'll then send it off to the manufacturer, it gets tested, inspected to see if it's a manufacturer's fault. If it is, then they're going to repair it. If you're lucky, they'll replace it, and if it's not, then you have to foot the bill. In the meantime, you've got a lot of downtime without a power tool. With the replacement warranty, you walk back into the supplier, whether it's your Bunnings store or Home Depot, whatever it is, you give them your power tool, show them what's wrong with it, and they replace it on the spot with a brand new power tool. That is huge, guys. That shows just how much confidence they have in their power tools, and I've got to be honest and say I've got about 40 to 50 of their ryobi One Plus power tool range, and I've never had to go back for a manufacturer's fault and replace it under warranty. So the third reason is value for money. There is so much value in the ryobi One Plus range, especially when we factor in that we can power over 125 power tools with the one battery. The battery can also power your old ryobi tools. You've got a 6-year replacement warranty, and the entry point or the price point for purchasing these products is perfect. When I first purchased my first set of ryobi tools, I was looking at expanding my range as well as having a secondary set of power tools. So whether you're just starting to accumulate your power tools or you're looking at expanding your range or doubling up on your power tools, ryobi offers a perfect entry point. So this leads into my fourth reason, which is all about performance. Performance is a very important factor to consider when purchasing power tools, and I've had these and a whole other range of power tools in the ryobi One Plus range for about 3 years, using them on a daily if not weekly basis, and they've been performing exceptionally well. I've done a lot of comparisons between ryobi and the high-end brands, and ryobi comes up pretty well, to be honest. Sometimes it beats the competitor, sometimes it falls just short, but it's important to realize that ryobi isn't geared at a commercial or contractor grade tool. It's more for a home DIY kind of tool. But when we do compare it to the commercial contractor grade, they perform very, very well. So in a nutshell, ryobi is cheap on price, but not cheap on performance. And finally, for the fifth reason, ryobi is a brand that is known worldwide. They've been making tools since 1943. Any company that's been making tools for that long is obviously doing something right. Guys, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If there's anything else you guys would like to learn how to do in or around your house, put it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to show you guys. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.